Automate your emails with AI. Are you tired of an overflowing inbox? Modern AI tools can help you streamline your email tasks. Let's explore 3 practical ways to automate your inbox today. First, consider using AI to auto-categorize and label your emails. AI can scan incoming emails and assign labels like leads or invoices. This makes your inbox organized. To implement this, enable filters in your email client, like Gmail. You can also connect to automation platforms like Zapier to classify emails automatically. As your AI learns your preferences, it can refine what matters and archive less important messages. Why is this beneficial? You'll spend less time deciding what to read first. Your inbox will be cleaner. Plus, collaboration improves because tagged messages can easily reach the right team members. Next, automate routine replies and follow-ups with AI. Many emails are repetitive, such as status updates and confirmations. AI can draft these messages based on templates you create. Use built-in AI tools in your email client to suggest replies or summarize threads. Set up automated flows to follow up on unanswered emails after a few days. The benefits? You'll reduce the time spent on repetitive emails. Consistent responses will ensure customer satisfaction. Fast replies help build trust with partners too. Finally, turn emails into tasks, calendar events, and CRM updates. Your inbox contains actionable items that belong elsewhere. AI can extract essential details and transfer them automatically. For example, set AI rules to detect tasks in emails and auto-create them in tools like Trello or Asana. AI can also manage your calendar by proposing meeting times based on your availability. The advantages are clear. You'll avoid missing tasks buried in messages. Important work will surface clearly as tasks instead of getting lost. In summary, these 3 automated strategies will help you regain control over your inbox. Whether organizing emails, drafting replies, or creating tasks, leveraging AI will make your workflow more efficient. So, why wait? Start implementing these AI techniques today and transform your email experience.